In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw a line with a specific length in AutoCAD. This is a basic but essential skill that helps ensure accuracy in your drawings. To begin, start the line command by clicking the line tool or by typing line in the command line and pressing enter. Next, click to specify the starting point of your line. Move your cursor in the direction you want the line to go. Without clicking a second point, type the desired length of the line and press enter. AutoCAD will automatically create a line with that exact length. For a more interactive experience, you can enable dynamic input by pressing F12. This displays length values near your cursor, making it easier to enter precise measurements. Using this method ensures your lines are drawn accurately and helps improve the quality of your drafting work. Thanks for watching and happy drafting in AutoCAD.